Create a bold and vibrant Spike Colorful Bead Necklace with cord. This eye-catching piece combines the edgy look of Spike Colorful beads, making it the perfect accessory to add a unique touch to any outfit. Lay your beads flat on a surface to organize and plan your design, making assembly smooth and straightforward. Cut a piece of cord to your desired necklace length, ensuring to leave a bit of extra cord on both ends for attaching crimp beads securely. For this project, cut a 16-inch piece of cord, leaving extra length on both ends for securing crimp beads and clasp. String the beads onto the cord, starting from either side of the necklace, depending on your preferred design direction. You can use a bead needle to make stringing the beads onto the cord easier and more efficient. Alternatively, apply clear nail polish to the tip of the cord to stiffen it, making it easier to slide beads on. As you can see, I began by threading small beads onto the cord, gradually placing the longest bead in the center for a balanced, visually appealing design. Arrange the beads in a color pattern that suits your style, experimenting with different combinations for a unique design. To balance the spike beads, place them between bead spacers of your choice. This will create a harmonious flow and ensure the spikes are evenly distributed throughout the necklace design. Place all the beads in the center of the cord, ensuring they are evenly spaced for a balanced and neat design. Once your design is complete, take the end of the cord and insert it into a crimp bead. Slide the crimp bead. Leave a small amount of cord extending from the crimp bead to ensure a secure grip when tightening with pliers. Tighten one crimp bead with pliers before moving to the next, ensuring each bead is securely held in place. Cut any excess cord close to the crimp bead for a clean, polished finish, ensuring no loose ends remain. Repeat the same process by inserting the cord into the crimp bead, securing it tightly with pliers. Hold the tip of the cord attached to the crimp with pliers to ensure it's securely in place before tightening. Press both folds of the crimp bead tightly using flat nose pliers. This move will securely hold the cord in place and prevent any beads from slipping, ensuring a durable and neat finish. Trim the excess cord near the crimp bead using a plier cutter, ensuring a clean and secure finish for your necklace. Open a jump ring using flat nose pliers, then carefully insert it into the loop of the crimp bead. Attach a jump ring to the lobster clasp, ensuring it functions smoothly so the necklace can open and close easily. On the other end, open another jump ring inserted into the loop of the crimp bead, then close it tightly to secure everything in place. Check all closures carefully for any gaps, ensuring each jump ring and clasp is securely closed to prevent the necklace from coming undone. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial and feel inspired to create your own beautiful designs.